Hi everyone, my name is Kaustubh Kale. So a lot of people have this query कि ये investment पे कितना tax लगेगा, ये asset पे कितना tax लगेगा. We'll completely solve this today by explaining you the tax rates on various kinds of investments on various kinds of assets. So let's have a look. So here is the table that will help you understand what is the taxation like. Now, the first thing is on listed stocks. So stocks that are listed on the stock exchanges. The holding period is 1 year for long term capital gain. So अगर आप एक साल के अंदर बेचते हो, ये होल्डिंग पीरियड का कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है? आप एक साल के अंदर बेचते हो तो इट विल बी कंसिडर्ड एज अ शॉर्ट टर्म कैपिटल गेन. आप एक साल के बाद बेचते हो तो इट इज कंसिडर्ड एज लॉन्ग टर्म कैपिटल गेन. So holding period for stocks is 1 year. The short term capital gain is 15%. Long term capital gain is 10%. This is on the gains. This is not on the value that you have sold. It is on the gains. The next thing is unlisted stocks. The holding period is 2 years. The short term capital gain, अगर आप 2 साल से पहले बेचते हो तो it is charged as per slab rate, and long term capital gain is 20%. In equity mutual funds, the holding period again is similar to listed stocks at 1 year. 15% tax rate on the short term capital gain, 10% tax rate on the long term capital gain. एक साल के पहले बेचा 15%, एक साल के बाद बेचा 10%. Now debt mutual funds that have no exposure to stock markets, there the holding period for long term capital gain is 3 years. शॉर्ट टर्म कैपिटल गेन पे आपको टैक्स एज पर स्लैब रेट लगेगा, लॉन्ग टर्म कैपिटल गेन पे 20% लगेगा. Now, for real estate, for immovable property, the holding period for long-term capital gain is 2 years. Short-term capital gain पे आपको स्लैब रेट के हिसाब से टैक्स लगेगा, लॉन्ग टर्म कैपिटल गेन पे आपको 20% टैक्स लगेगा. सो अगर आप 2 साल से पहले बेचते हो तो स्लैब रेट, 2 साल के बाद बेचते हो तो 20%. Now on gold, again holding period is 3 years for long-term capital gain. If you sell it before that, then slab rate. If you sell it after that, then 20% is the taxation rate. Now, one more point here that is important is that you have an indexation benefit available for unlisted stocks, for debt mutual funds, for real estate and gold. This benefit is not available for listed stocks and equity mutual funds because वहाँ पे आपका anyways inflation के साथ थोड़ा wealth grow होता है. So for the rest of it, there's an indexation benefit available where based on certain calculations they assume that your holding cost was actually, your cost of acquisition was slightly more than what the original cost was to give you some benefit there. Now, one more question that people have is how is the tax on cryptocurrency now? So, cryptocurrency considered as virtual assets is taxed at a flat rate of 30%. Gains there are taxed at a flat rate of 30%, which is the highest. And I understand there's also a TDS impact where on the sale, you have to, the exchange will have to deduct a 1% TDS and deposit. So, this was about the taxation on various assets. This table will help you. So do keep this in mind. Thank you so much, everyone. I hope you found this useful as well as interesting. Thank you.